Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now by enabling the hardware radios on your laptop, turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on, and plug in if battery is low. Next, open Settings and go directly to Network and Internet, then Mobile Hotspot. Enable the hotspot switch. While you're there, set an SSID you'll recognize and choose WPA2 Personal for security. Also pick the band, use 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, so devices will connect reliably once you finish these initial steps. Once done with basic setup, decide what connection you're sharing. Select Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or a cellular adapter as the internet source. This determines performance. Make sure to limit the number of allowed devices if you want stable throughput, and enable power saving or set a data cap to prevent overage. Now, on the client device, open Wi-Fi, find the SSID you created, enter the password, and confirm a secure connection. Monitor the hotspot's connection list to verify who is connected and how much data they're using. You finish by validating the connection with a quick test. Browse to a web page, stream a short video, and run a speed test to confirm throughput. If the client won't connect, restart the hotspot service, toggle the laptop's Wi-Fi adapter, and ensure the client supports the chosen band. Make sure drivers are up to date. Disable VPNs that may block tethering. If problems persist, change the SSID and password to rule out cached credentials. This often forces a clean reconnection and resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.